Hi, my name is Ben Meldrum, and I am the principal at Capital City High School. Let me be the first to welcome you. I am so excited that you have taken time to stop by, and it is my privilege to share with you a virtual tour of our building. Capital City High School is located at 1650 Cavalier Drive in Jefferson City. For the 2020-21 school year, CCHS will teach more than 1,000 freshmen, sophomores, and junior students. Welcome to the front foyer of our building. The main entrance and its surrounding area is where you will find housing for the main administrative office, counselor's office, and access to the band, choir, orchestra, and theater departments. This is our cafeteria. Traditionally, students will come to the cafeteria during the fourth period of the day and eat during one of the 3 possible lunch sessions. Don't mind this setup. At the time when this video was being developed, our faculty and staff utilized this space for professional development.
Hello, my name is Emily Vallanningham, and I am the Associate Principal for Curriculum and Instruction at CCHS. What you are looking at now is the very spacious Commons area. The Commons is the central hub of Capital City High School. This area provides students access to almost all parts of the building. The Commons area traditionally features furniture throughout and provides a place for students to utilize the variety of flexible seating for studying or classwork. Let's head downstairs to the ground floor and check out the CCHS Library and Media Center. Oh, and by the way, we can't forget to point out the learning stairs. Students typically like to gather here before or after school, and sometimes teachers bring their students out here during class. Here's the Library Media Center. This space is perfect for students looking for a quiet place to work, to collaborate on a project, or to check out a book.
Hi, my name is Alex Mariani. I teach Algebra 1 and Algebra 1B here. Let's take a look at one of the academic wings. There are classrooms on all 3 floors of CCHS, and the building's open layout make it easy for students to move to and from classes with ease. Throughout the academic wings, you'll see unique collaborative spaces like think tanks, flexible seating, and a lot of natural light. Another neat feature, check out those whiteboard walls. Teachers and students frequently use these areas to move outside the basic 4 walls of a classroom.
My name is Robert Nesakia. I am the Activities Director at Capital City High School. What you are looking at now is our state-of-the-art strength and conditioning weight room. The area provides a space for our students and athletes to develop their coordination skills and physical strength. We are proud to showcase our school pride and colors here. This is the Capital City Gymnasium. The gymnasium features a full-length basketball court and volleyball courts. You will also notice the animated video board, branded bleachers, and a Cavalier blue walking track. This space is utilized for PE, practices, matches, and games, and can be accessed through the cafeteria on the main floor or the ground level.
Thanks for taking the time to watch a virtual tour of CCHS. We cannot wait to see you at Capital City High School. Go Cavs, go!